PBS Kids Games app.
Let's play!
It's the only place where you can play hundreds of games.
That's a lot.
With all your favorite PBS Kids friends.
Why don't we give it a try? What are we waiting for? Vamos!
Plus, there are brand new games added all the time.
Now we have a place where we can all play together.
You can play too, anytime, anywhere, on the free PBS Kids Games app.
Streaming now on PBS Kids. Give a cheer for Let's Go Luna! Let's Go Luna! Let's Go Luna! Streaming now free on PBS Kids.
Lila in the Loop is made possible in part by
When cooking this holiday season, McCormick is here. Because we believe that creating something special leads to more moments to remember. McCormick, proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
and by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's me, Duck, and it's time to get moving with PBS Kids. We're going on an animal adventure today. First, let's hop up and down like this. Hop, hop, hop. Can you guess what animal does this? A frog! Hopping from one lily pad to the next. Good! Now stretch your arms out like this and pop them up and down. That's right, guys. You're flying. What animal flaps their wings? A bird. Bend your knees, too. And finally, let's gallop with our feet like this. Can you guess what animal does this? You got it, a horse. Giddy up. Ooh, that was fun. You guys were great. Thanks. See you next time, everyone.
Question. What's pink and green all over?
This is so cool.
Where nearly anything is possible.
Let the royal festivities begin. Yay!
Pinkalicious and Peterific. Streaming now. Free on PBS Kids.
Streaming now on PBS Kids. Give a cheer for Let's Go Luna! Let's Go Luna! Let's Go Luna! The series with great adventure.
Wow.
Follow those footprints and even greater friends.
We have friends all over the world. We just have to go out and meet them.
Let's Go Luna! Streaming now free on PBS Kids. Carl the Collector wants to know, what's in your collection?
This is my gemstone collection. It's sparkles! Whoa! I love my magnets. I think I have 1 million shells. What is that amazing smell? They're candles. This is my favorite one and I love it. It looks perfect. Wow.
What's in our collection? Carl the Collector. Next on Austin PBS Kids.
Austin PBS's educational fun pick for November is Molly of Denali.
Hey everyone, Molly here to answer your questions about life in Alaska.
To learn and explore with your family, visit austinpbs.org for more details.
PBS Kids honors Native American Heritage Month. Native Americans, also known as First Peoples, lived here long before it was even called America. Today, there are nearly 600 tribes, and many have their own languages.
designed to help save for the future. Able Now is a tax-advantaged savings program just for individuals with disabilities. Learn more at ablenow.com.
And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, these generous supporters, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Yes, it's Carl, the collector. It's Carl, absolutely. Carl, it's Carl, the collector. It's Carl, the collector. Carl, the collector.
The Plushie Collection.